Hi Andrew, this is the hire purchase problem that I'm going to look at in this video. So, where are we? Okay, so we've got this hire purchase situation here, and the problem is that when you import the 2015 data, you've got this line item here. Let's just make sure we're showing full names. We have this line item here, but the other line item that comes in has a different name, so there's no way to match this pairing when you import the 2015 accounts. So you end up with this one here appearing separately, and then another less expired interest term underneath. So the way to fix this with the features that are currently built in, first to well, you could have, of course, fix it by changing the names in the Excel file, but probably best to do it this way. So first of all, just undo this pairing. Okay, so we just check that they're undone, so that pairing is now undone. Then import the data, 2015 data. Okay, so this is what we're left with after the import. So you can see the source of the problem is that these two terms here have different names. Now that wouldn't have been a problem if this wasn't the same name in both cases. Okay, so we either want both paired names to be the same or both paired names to be different. We don't want one to be the same and one to be different. So the next step in resolving this is just to rename this item here and turn it into that. So we go to the rename feature, choose where are we? That one there is what we want to rename, and we want to call it that. Okay, so we go back and check that that's what's occurred. So now we've got the hire purchase line item name, the unexpired interest name, and we can go back and reinitiate that pairing. And so now that's all working. So it's a bit of a long way of getting around the problem, but with the current functionality, that's the best way to do it. So the thing to look out for is, let me just pause this for a moment. So the thing to look out for here is that in this Excel file you have this line item here, which was the same name as your 2014 item, but you had quite a different looking name there. So probably if you were starting from scratch, the best way to resolve that would have been to rename this in some way and then do some renamings later on. So this is, we haven't really encountered a case like this before. Anyway, that's the solution.